While handing over a solar system to Kanungu Coffee Farmers Cooperative Society Limited at the cooperative headquarters today, the Stanbic Bank manager for Kihiihi branch, Milka Kansime, and Patrick Twinamasko, the head of circles in the bank, explained that this was part of their community's social responsibilities of improving the quality of production of their clients.
Abantu abete organized groups abo kwako kubano yamba sakonkeji nobota kuyamba milki nobano yambe cyaro chona nobano yamba abantu 15 right 15 so hati bareta so eji mba batajiteka hanri yanje ninga bajita ya chairperson ne yambo chairperson konka bajita hane yamba abantu 12. So it is a bigger thing, Kuyamba. That is in your direction, one of the directions we are taking in Kabank.
As Stanbic Bank, we are doing 4 things in the circles. 1, we are digitizing them. Digitizing them, as I said, is moving them from the manual way of running the operation to the digital way of maintaining their records. 2, we are providing capacity building, that's training on management of their circles and financial literacy of the members. Number 3, we are lending them money for onward lending to their members. For those circles who are involved in production, in agriculture, the interest rate is 10% per annum. And those which are in other trades, apart from agriculture, they access money as 12.5% per annum.
Joshua Rukundo, one of the cooperative founders, hailed the bank for the initiative, saying that it will change their capacity to deliver.
This cooperative started in 2017, and since then they have had accounts with Stanbic Bank branch, and since 2020 Stanbic has been more closer to them in that they have given them computer and given them a local software to help them do their reports and make sure our staff are trained, including the board, on how they should manage. They went on further to give them a solar system that can accommodate all the administrative computers, lights, and make sure that we are not affected by the power crisis that is affecting Kanungu, and we are proud of Stanbic Bank.
Rokundo noted that they have been struggling with the consistent power supply in the area that has hindered their production potential over the years.
Yeah, we want to have stable power because we are always affected by power crisis, and we feel bad that every time production is interfered with because of power. We also want cheaper funding than, because farmers expense a lot of expenses and the loans we have are very expensive. We therefore want to implore the government to give cheaper loans of 6 to 7% per annum for the farmers in the coffee, rice and all crops. So I am confident that if the government does this, our farmers are going to benefit more than they did.
Ambrose Amanyire, the resident district commissioner for Kanungu, and Frank Byaruhanga, the district speaker, hailed Stanbic Bank for the initiative but warned the beneficiaries against enemies of progress that can at any time attack their cooperative.
Yeah, I extend sincere appreciation to Stanbic Bank. First of all, it's a good gesture when a commercial bank takes an extra step to have packages that are augmenting government financial inclusion efforts. Apparently, rural communities have only been accessing financial support of this nature from government poverty education programs. And sometimes, due to a mindset problem, when people receive our money from government, they don't pay back. So the programs face a lot of challenge.
Mwejendesereza abantu abari kubasakirija bakabaganisa mu group yanyu aho twaika aho kuba nimwe ebikira kugaruza abantu organization nyingi zitigwa hansi ahabwe ngambo ubutakorera hamwe ubukendezana ibintu kebyo.
Coffee and tea growing are some of the leading agricultural activities in Kanungu district.